This is Cyberpunk 2077 running on a AMD Ryzen 7 5800X3D with a NVIDIA GeForce GTX Titan XP. So first, we're starting with the Ultra setting, but we have all of the upscaling, all of the uppers as I call them, are turned off. So let's just see how it runs for a second. Now, to those of you who say, oh, that's 30 FPS, I say that if you take a look at the consistency, it's fairly consistent. We're staying at 35 and up-ish. We're never actually dropping to 30 or below. Now, if you are capable of running at that consistent of a frame rate, it will look good. The people that say that you can't game at 30 are just flat wrong. It is what it is. If you are able to run it at a consistent frame rate of 30 or over, it will have that smooth feel to it. I've seen a few games that didn't, but usually it's fine. But so let's go take a look now at Ultra, but with FSR 3.0 running. Okay, so actually it didn't really help the frame rate as much as you would think. We're looking 10 or 15 increased FPS, and it's pretty much the same visually. Now, if we turned on the frame gen, that would get us up to 70 or 80. But right now we're just looking at FSR versus non-FSR on the Ultra setting, which, considering this is a non-ray traced GPU, there's no reason to look at anything else. Anyway, though, I hope you guys found that interesting. This is running 1440p, but the recording is at 4K. I did that because I'm trying to show you as realistically as possible. I cannot completely cut out the compression that YouTube does, but this is the best I can do. Anyway, I hope you guys find this interesting, and thanks for watching.